Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have an unboxing. I'm so excited to show you guys this item. I've wanted it for a while. I promised myself that I would get it for myself for Christmas, but Christmas came a little bit early. Thanks to my personal shopper, Lisa. Hi Lisa, thank you so much for picking this up for me. Who needs personal shoppers when you have Lisa and Autumn? Autumn and Lisa. I better put Autumn's name first, because if I don't, she's gonna get all bent out of shape. So who needs a personal shopper when you have Autumn Beckman and Lisa? If you want to see what I've got, stick around. Okay, so I thought I would paint this afternoon because you guys remember the lipstick challenge? So I'm working on the lipstick painting that Gwenny won, and I thought, I'm gonna wear my Slayer hat for Gwenny. I thought she might appreciate this look. I always cover my hair up when I paint because if I don't, I have paint everywhere. So I haven't gotten started yet. I thought I would knock this video out. So again, thank you so much, Lisa. I'm so thrilled to have this item. It's something, like I said, I was gonna get it for Christmas, but I just had to have it. Oh, I'm so happy. So before I get started, let me show you my bag of the week. Actually, I've been carrying this bag for 2 weeks. It is my Rebecca Minkoff bag, and I love it. It came from The Real Real. Actually, Autumn Beckman picked this little baby up for me and sent it to me. I am thrilled with this bag. It's sold out online. If I ever do find it, I will link it. It's the Edie bag. Now you can find this in leather. You can get nylon versions. I'll put some in the description box, you guys, but this is a fantastic bag and I am loving it. It's got a pocket here. Review coming soon. This is the bag that I've been carrying going on 2 weeks. Before we get started, I'm not trying to drag it out. I just wanted to let you guys know what's coming down the pike. So we have decided that we need to get away. So we are going to be leaving Thursday evening for, where are we going? Brain freeze. We're going to Myrtle Beach. I'm so excited. I've never been to Myrtle Beach, and we're going. And so we're gonna leave Thursday and come back on Monday. We just need to get away, you guys. I cannot stay here. I'm about to go cuckoo, seriously. So we're just gonna go to the beach. We got a condo. We're gonna relax, go to eat. We're gonna be real responsible, but we are going to the beach. So I'm super excited. Can't wait. So I'm gonna be vlogging for you guys. So yeah. Oh, and when I get that painting finished, I will show it to you guys. Let's get started with the unboxing. I'm so excited. Lisa, you're the best. You are the best. All right. So this is a little item that I've been wanting, that I promised to myself. So let's just pull it out of the bag. Here it is. Any guesses? Do you guys have any guesses what this could be? Now, if you guys watch me all the time, you might have some idea, but what could this be? What could it be, you ask? Well, let me show you. You guys, I'm so happy. I cannot wait until 2020 is over. Let me just say that right now while I'm unboxing this, because I want to go to Atlanta and I want to go shopping at FAV'S Plaza. Okay, so here we go. Dust bag. I have so many Louis Vuitton boxes, you guys. I don't know what to do with them. It comes in this. What does it look like? What do you think it is? Ah! Okay. Here we go. It is the desk agenda, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. The first year that I had YouTube, I didn't really stay very organized. And so, watching Autumn Beckman's videos on being organized, and she has like 9,297 agendas. I thought, I just need one. I just need one agenda. So I purchased one at TJ Maxx, and I said, if I keep using my agenda, I'm going to spring for a agenda cover. And the next time I'm in Louis Vuitton, I'm probably going to get my initials put right here in gold. But I chose just the monogram, and mine is made in Hawaii. It probably doesn't pick up there. I don't know, you probably can't see it. But my agenda was made in Paris. Paris, not Hawaii. Lisa got it in Hawaii, but it was made in Paris. I'm losing it. But you guys, the first thing that I noticed about it is how soft it is. And I just love to, I just love to smell my things. Are you guys sniffers? I like to sniff things that are new. I've just been going around sniffing it. And yes, I have opened it. I couldn't wait, you guys. And then I boxed it back up. But I've been trying to find the right kind of organizer to put inside of it. I want, of course, I need, on this side I want a calendar, and on this side I need notes, because I do make notes. Now I come up here and I wing it, but I have a basic idea, and there's some videos that I do have to have notes, but I used my agenda that I got at TJ Maxx religiously, and I got it at the first of the year, and I said, you know, I've never used an agenda. I'm just kind of one of these people, you know, I guess I'm unorganized. But in an attempt to be more like Autumn, I got an agenda, and I'm telling you, I rely on it. So I'm carrying it around all the time. It's falling apart, and so I thought, you know, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna get it. And I asked Lisa, and she talked to her sales associate. I'm telling you, the girl can score anything. And within just a couple hours, she's like, okay. And she said, I'm gonna go Saturday and I'm going to inspect it and make sure that it's perfect. She did, and it is. So I'm so happy, so thrilled to have it. I just need to know, do you guys have suggestions? So I'm gonna go back through and watch Autumn's videos again. You know, I'm not a super technical person. I mean, you can get technical with these things, you know, but I just need a calendar, and I just need, you know, another side. On this side, I need to be able to make notes. I just think I'm gonna love it. I'm so excited. So I knew that I wanted the monogram. You guys, I don't have a lot of monogram left in my collection, so I need more monogram in my life, you know. I think I almost thought about trying to find the graphite. I love that one. I love them all. I'm probably going to be like Autumn and end up with a ton of agendas. No, I really don't have a need for it. She's a teacher. She really does. So I might possibly use this one for my YouTube stuff, and then maybe if my business picks back up, you know, my art, I might get the graphite one for my art business. I don't know, but we'll start small, okay? But I'm really happy to have this. It smells, it just smells divine. Okay, so today's video is super short. That's all I have. I wanted to wear this hat for my girl Gwenny. Yes, I'm working on the painting, and I'll be sure and let you guys see it when I get finished. I should have it finished in a couple of days. I don't know, I have a few more unboxings coming up, you guys. I've been so bad, like I said, I'm just on a roll. But this weekend we are leaving to go to Myrtle Beach. I'm going to bring you guys along. I'm going to vlog. I'm so excited. I don't know, I'm just looking forward to getting away. So I'm looking forward to taking you guys with us and vlogging and just having a good time. So if you guys have any requests, anything you want to see, I do have some stuff coming up. I'm going to do some more art videos, and I'm working on a list right now. I have had several people to message me and say, yes, I'd like to know, you know, what you suggest for supplies to begin painting. And I'm an oil painter. I do paint acrylics and watercolors, but mostly I do oil painting. So I'm going to be coming up with a list for beginners, oil painting supplies, okay? So I can save you some money, because I'm telling you, when I first started painting, I bought way too much crap that I never used. So anyway, that's coming up. More painting videos, a vlog, and any suggestions, any requests you guys have, just be sure and put them in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Gwenny, I hope you liked my Slayer hat. My husband is the biggest Slayer fan on the face of the earth. He's the biggest metalhead. Yeah, he looks all businesslike, but that's a facade, okay? He is a metalhead through and through. I actually got this hat at a concert we went to. Okay, so my battery went dead right when I was saying my goodbyes. I just wanted to say, if you guys have any requests, anything you want to see, just put it in the comments section and I will gladly do your request for you. I'm excited about our trip. I'm excited to get away and take you guys along with us. I will see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.